The FCL is really important to me because it gives time for families to sit down. Meals are provided, and then it allows for both all members of the family to immerse.
So I heard about the workshops, the PBS KIDS workshops through the Learning Center, which is the preschool that my daughter attends.
The family community workshop model allows for us to facilitate by going into different community outreaches, whether it be the center that we were in this time or into local schools, community centers, and then we offer opportunities for parents to orchestrate and facilitate learning at home.
The best one was the first activity where they taught steps and instructions. My daughter, my oldest one's actually using the paper that they gave to remember her steps when it's time for her to go to bed. Even just drawing the pictures helped her remember, and she will say, because hers was getting ready for the day. So she'll say that in the morning now. So
I think that the activities that we did help to build our processing of our routine. The most favorable activity through the workshop was having mom dance. The kids create the dance for mom to dance to.
This was an activity that we were able to share with her in her environment that she's in all day, because it's something that made her happy and something that I felt like she could share with us.
It just allows for the opportunity for conversation in the home and getting back to those strong family values and learning process.
I would love to attend more series like this. I think it is really great for the community and especially for families.